Let's have a look at this beautiful, beautiful advent calendar. Love the color, love the design. The gold just pops. And what a beautiful Christmas tree. It reads, since 2023, The Star Chaser, Christmas Puzzle Advent Calendar. Before you open this magical book, please remember to open only one box per day to avoid losing control of the magic. Now it's time to begin. And we have the little Pintoo logo down there. Such lovely detail, lovely detail. The spine of the book is also quite lovely. Look at that. The Star Chaser, Puzzle Advent Calendar, Pintoo Corporation. Love the detail, love the color. And then on the back, it reads, Dear friends, it's that time of the year looking for a unique way to count down. Pintoo's Christmas Puzzle Advent Calendar is sure to delight. Discover new puzzlebilities that come to life. Enjoy the one-of-a-kind puzzle experience. Free up your mind, relax, and enjoy. So lovely, so lovely. So let's have a look and open up our book. Oh, so nice. Look at the detail. Just love it. Very sepia kind of coloring. And you see all the numbers going through from 1 to 24, like that. And my husband was very happy to see that there's a blacksmith because he does blacksmithing. I did notice up here it says scan the code. There's a QR code to get images of the puzzles, assembly instructions, and full story game. So that's very helpful because if they didn't have enough room to include like assembly instructions, you can at least go online for further help. It's absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to dive right into it. Pintoo is a magical kingdom with an ancient Christmas tree at its center, and at the top of the tree there is a shining magic star that has illuminated the entire kingdom and maintained the magic of it. However, something weird has happened. The magic star that usually shines above the tree has broken into 6 pieces and scattered across the kingdom. Dear adventurer, we need your help to retrieve each piece of the star, restore our tree to its former glory, and save our kingdom. Will you accept this mission? This is a photo taken by a villager, which I have printed out as a postcard to give you some clues that may help you find the missing star. You can write down your wishes on the postcard, and we'll do our best to make your dreams come true. And of course, bad wishes are not allowed. Story of the Star long time ago. The 3 wise men carried precious gifts and embarked on a journey towards the direction of the star for finding their new king. The 3 wise men arrived at the place where the newborn king was and witnessed the sacred moment. This is the fragment that fell at the scene after the incident. It may help you find the other fragments. Bag 1 of 6, 64 pieces. With the help of the elves, with the help of the Christmas elves, the crystal ball showed that the missing fragments might appear at the Christmas market. You may go there and take a look. Let's go! The possibilities are endless. Are you ready? Here is a pass to Pintoo Kingdom. Write down your name, hold it tightly, and recite the spell. Let's depart immediately. The possibilities are endless. Flash! Opening eyes. Where am I? Suddenly, a blast of music fills the air. Oh, listen, who's playing the ukulele? Help! Walking towards the beach. It looks like there's someone standing over there. Should I go ask for directions? Ho ho, Mr. Snow. Hey, can you suggest any ways to help me cool down? It's pretty hot today. Mr. Snow. Ha ha ha, what a joke. Here, take this beautiful bottle I just found. It might be helpful. Bag 2 of 6, 64 pieces. Arriving at the Christmas market. At the lively square, there are several vendors selling exquisite handicrafts and delicious delicacies. Walking past a stall that sells beautiful light decor. It looks like there's a missing fragment in the Christmas lantern, but how can I get it? I don't have any money. At the stall, the owner. If anyone can tell me a Christmas story, I'll give away a precious item for free. Once upon a Christmas Eve. Once upon a Christmas Eve, a broken-legged nutcracker battled bravely against the invasion of an army of mice to protect its owner, Clara.